Hello. Good morning, students. Hope all of you are doing well. Everyone is listening your main subjects. So, parallelly, today we'll discuss something about computers also. So, though it's not your main subject, we'll have some topics to discuss, which we discussed previously in our class 6 to 8. All topics will cover, most of the topics which we covered up to class 6 to 8, all topics will cover except one programming language. New programming language will come in this class 9, that is Python or Scratch. Scratch also we covered in lower classes at 6 to 8, and we covered some basics of the we'll cover some basics of Python, and we'll cover some basics of Office, which we covered in up to class 8, and also we discussed the new topic called cyber safety, which we had in class 8, ethics and cyber safety. That only will continue most of this. And basics of IT is very easy chapter, where what's computer, what is software, what is hardware, what are the different types, and what are the different characters, what are the different how many languages you are having, how the evolution of languages are developed. So these are all topics, memory devices. So all things will be discussed in this first chapter, very simple chapter. If you see the topics which we are going to cover in this particular class 9, so we are going to get familiarized with all topics of computer, basics of computer, and we are able to create, edit documents, spreadsheets, and presentation with the help of Microsoft Office, and we'll perform the basic data manipulation using spreadsheets, which we already done in our class 6 to 8. So we covered the formulas and functions, how to create formula, how to create functions, and how to manipulate the data inside the spreadsheet. That all things we discussed, and how to receive, send emails. So most of you know, but these are the topics which we cover, and how we have to create and upload videos, ability to safely and correctly use of websites. So that is cyber safety, which I am discussing. These are the topics which we had. Mainly four units we are having: basics of IT, cyber safety, office tools, Scratch or Python. So if you giving exam either Scratch or Python, only one option is there. But we'll discuss some topics of Scratch also, and we'll discuss some topics of Python also, as it is new. Those Scratch you learned in your class 6 to 8, so that only will repeat again in the class 9. Class 10 you will get some more games which we not created in class 6 to 8. Yeah, we'll more concentrate on Python rather than Scratch, as we discussed up to class 6 to 8. Yeah. Now, basics of IT. In this unit, what you are going to cover is computer systems, where to discuss the characteristics of computer and different components of computer system, which you know most familiar one, that is CPU, memory, storage devices, and what are the different input and output devices. And memory, how the RAM and ROM are classified, how the secondary memory is classified, how the storage disk, hard disk, what is the capacities of CD full form, DVD full form, pen drive, pen or flash drive, pen drive, memory stick, Blu-ray disc, all things we are going to cover in this chapter. Different input and output devices. It is kidding, but these are the topics we are going to cover: keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer, scanner, webcam, and what are the different types of software. Yeah, we discussed in the class 8 also, that is operating system, and also in the class 6 also we discussed different types of software systems. Software operating system we'll discuss again. Device drivers, application softwares, different application softwares including mobile applications we'll discuss. And computer networking, where we'll discuss about the types of network, what is the need of network, personal area network, local area network, metropolitan area network, wide area network, wireless networks, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cloud computers, classification, private and public. These are all topics which are going to cover in the first unit. And some topics of multimedia, image, audio, video, animation, and their characteristics. All things we are going to cover in this chapter. Yeah. Yeah. We today will discuss about the computer systems. What is computer? What are their application, and what are the different characteristics of a computer? Yeah, most of you know, but again we'll discuss. It's like a revision you thought you think. So actually class 9, first chapter is very simple, which covering from basics onward, that class 6 to 8 onwards, whatever you are getting, that all things are repeating. Okay, we will discuss about components of system, computer system, and also CPU, memory, storage. Yeah. Now let's go into the topic, computer system. First chapter, today's first chapter, computer system. Yeah, everyone know, which I am telling my computer equation from the class 6 onwards, that computer system can be written in the form of equation, that is software plus hardware plus user. Yes, I can say or not. Computer system can be written in the form of software plus hardware plus user. So if software and user are available, if no hardware, then you can't do anything with the computer system. The same way, if hardware and user are available, if software is not there, then you can't do anything with the computer system. Yeah, we'll go into the deep that how the computers are emerged from time to time. So how the starting computers are being used, which fields are used at computer startingly, now how it is emerged and how it has become part of our life, that we'll see there. Okay, okay. Now, the increasing use of information technology in our lives have resulted in a new and improved way of thinking and living and working life. Yes, you know that. Yes, how the computers are being improved from the earlier version to right now. So earlier the computers are only for the big shots only. That is only for medical purpose and scientists and research purpose only they used. Now it became the part of life and everyone is using the computers. Yes, you know. Earlier, computers were used mostly by scientists, yes, engineers, and complex calculations, and the medicals, and they were costly, which are costly, yes. Mainly पहले क्या है साइंटिस्ट और मेडिकल रिसर्च पर्पस के लिए जो इंजीनियर्स और अपना बिल्डिंग बनाने के लिए जो सिविल इंजीनियर्स ऑटो कैड सिस्टम सो दे ओनली यूज्ड फॉर द प्राइमरली फॉर which are very cost effective at that time. Now it became part of everyone's life. It is being used at everywhere. Nowadays, computer is within the reach of every working purpose. Yes, every almost every working person who is using in offices, you are seeing everywhere. Everyone is having computer. So it's become emerged as a free and most effective and less cost and less expensive became the part of everyone's life. It has virtually become a needs in banks, hospitals, railways, shopping complexes, schools, colleges, hospitals, etc. Yes, homes. Now, virtually, it is they are telling virtually. So indirectly or really, it become the need in banks, hospitals, railways, shopping complexes, schools, colleges, homes, etc. Yes, we are seeing these computers in the banks. You are seeing this hospital. You are seeing this in the hospitals. You are seeing this in the railways. You are seeing this in the shopping complexes. You are seeing this in the complex shopping complexes, and you are seeing in the schools. You are seeing in the colleges, homes, etc. So everywhere you are seeing everywhere, not only this one, everywhere, almost everywhere it become the part of our life. Yes or no? In fact, it would be appropriate to say that it's hard to imagine life without a computer. Yes, nowadays are you able to live without the computer or the mobile devices? Yes, every day it's been we are carrying it everywhere. Without computer we cannot able to see. Morning onwards we are spending our life on laptops or mobiles or so everything it's become part of our life. Yes. Now, so what is computer? First we'll discuss computer system as the part of the characteristics and covering the what is computer. We'll discuss what is computer. Everyone know what is computer. I need not to tell. So the computer is a word which came from the word compute. Compute means calculate. Yes, compute means calculator. Yeah. That's why it's a Greek word came from compute word. The word computer came from derived from compute, which means to calculate, which means to calculate. A computer is an electronic device. Most of you know it's an electronic device that perform variety of tasks based on the instructions given by the users. A variety of tasks by executing by given set of instructions. It's a versatile and can handle multiple tasks like documentation, accounting, budgeting, designing, entertaining, imparting education, airlines, railways, and other bookings, etc. It's a versatile. Versatile means having many characters, having many users or many characteristics. That is, can handle multiple tasks like documentation or documentation purpose, accounting purpose, budgeting purpose, designing purpose, entertaining purpose, imparting education, airlines booking, railways booking, and other bookings which are part of our daily life. Yes or no? No. Even weather forecasting and many more. Weather forecasting में हम लोग कहा है. So the full form of computers everyone know common oriented machine particularly used for trade and education research. So that everyone know computer full form common oriented machine particularly used trade education research. That's only they are telling this. If you want right common oriented machine particularly used for trade education and research. So actually this is there is no particular full form like this, but after being usage of computers in the vast number of fields and as it is having versatile characteristics, so they given the full form, but there is no meaning for this full form, that is common oriented machine particularly used for trade and education research. Right, if you want right keep note down common oriented machine particularly used for trade and education and research. Yes, okay. Next, characteristics. Today our topic is characteristics of computer. Yes, what are the different characteristics of the computer? We'll discuss. Okay, there are several characters are there. We'll discuss few of the characteristics. A computer is capable to perform highly complex tasks which is man not able to perform. Yes, जो जो इंसान नहीं कर पा रहे वो सब कंप्यूटर कर पा रहे, so वो उसके लिए हम लोग उसको मानना पड़ेगा. बट इस कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स में कुछ मेनली एडवांटेजेस ही है, बहुत कम डिसएडवांटेजेस है. ओके, let us discuss its characteristics and strengths. So its strengths only we are discussing. Its weakness का बारे में बाद में बात करते हैं. पहले बात है speed. Yeah, first one note down characteristics of the computer. Speed. So a computer works at an amazing speed without making any mistakes. Yes or no? At an amazing speed it works without making most of the mistakes it can't perform until unless without the intervention of the human. Yeah. So it gives the 100% accuracy results. A normal person would complete a specified task in a few hours, whereas the same task is finished by the computer in a fraction of seconds or within the fraction of seconds with finish. Yes, नॉर्मल जो इंसान जो है वो इतना घंटा में जो काम करने वाला काम है, तो कंप्यूटर इज डूइंग इट विद इन द फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकंड्स इट इज बीइंग कंप्लीटिंग. यस और नो? ओके, that itself is the speed of the speed characteristics. Calculation can be done in microseconds or millionth of the second sometimes. Okay, calculations are being performed very fast. Okay, so you know that computer means compute, which means used to calculate. So वो तो नहीं करेगा तो क्या करेगा? So then the speed of computer is measured in milliseconds. Yeah, the speed of the computer is measured in the milliseconds or even sometimes nanoseconds also. Okay, and accuracy. The second one is accuracy. First one we discussed is speed. So speed of the computer is measured in the form of milliseconds or nanoseconds. It performs all the millions of instructions in a fraction of seconds only. So that's the main purpose. Okay. नेक्स्ट एक्यूरेसी. इन एडिशन टू स्पीड, अगर स्पीड के साथ ऐसा नहीं कि स्पीड में जल्दीबाजी में काम करना है, वो गलत नहीं करना है. सो स्पीड के साथ एक्यूरेसी भी इंपॉर्टेंट है. जैसे अभी इंसान में अगर स्पीड में अगर जल्दी करना चाहता है तब कभी कभी क्या गलत हो सकता है, लेकिन कंप्यूटर इज बीइंग ए मशीन, so though it's performing the fraction of calculations in a complex calculation in a fraction of seconds, so it is giving with accurate results only. Okay, computer performs its task with great accuracy. It hardly commits a mistakes and in the processing of data. Yes, very less mistakes it performs in getting the result of or the output. So the errors generally occur when the input is inaccurate. Yes, they are telling clearly. एरर कब होता है? जब इनपुट इंस्ट्रक्शन जो इंसान जो देने वाला जो ह्यूमन यूजर जो इंस्ट्रक्शंस अगर गलती देगा तो तभी तो इनएक्यूरेट देगा, नहीं तो अगर कुछ हार्डवेयर बग होने से तभी होगा. अदरवाइज वेरी रेयर इट विल गिव द लेस एक्यूरेट रिजल्ट. ओके, next, reliability means what we'll discuss. A computer is more reliable than human being as it never gets tired or bored of the repetitive task. So बार बार जो इंसान अगर काम करते हैं तो उसको तो बोर लगता है, वो कर नहीं पाता है. सो बट जो कंप्यूटर ऐसा नहीं है. सो कभी भी कितना बार अगर सेम टास्क देने दो वो करते रहेगा. ठीक है, इट नेवर गेट्स बोर्ड. ओके, सो आई एम नॉट कंपेयरिंग द ह्यूमन अगेन. सो बीइंग ए कंप्यूटर, actually why it is being used, why it is become part of our human life, that's why I am comparing it with the human only. I am not comparing, though it is a machine, the human is not a machine. So I am not comparing a machine between machine to machine. I am comparing with only with human only because it's become the part of our life. So we have to discuss what the speciality between the human and the computer. Okay, next, it can operate for long hours without taking rest. Yes, without taking rest it works. So with its accuracy, in fact, okay, इसका तो खाना का देना का जरूरत नहीं है, सिर्फ पावर देने से अपना काम करते रहेगा. देन स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी. So storage capacity is also one of the important characteristics. Now up to till now we discussed reliability, accuracy and speed. Now the new characteristics is storage capacity. Storage capacity, you see, अगर इसका एक सिंपल एग्जाम बताओ तो आप लोग अभी क्लास 9 में है. अभी जितना लोग को क्लास 9 में साइंस में क्या क्या चैप्टर पढ़ा अभी याद है? नो, यू डोंट नो. मैथ्स में क्या क्या चैप्टर पढ़ा याद है? So you are unable to know. But being a machine, it stores a large amount and huge amount of data. Okay, again I am telling, I am not comparing with the machine of human. Human is not a machine. Okay, so I am just comparing as it is become the part of our life. So we are comparing with the human only. Okay, a computer can store a large amount of data in its memory in the form of documents, graphics, sounds and etc. Yes, it can store in the form of data in the memory, that is secondary memory, or जो हार्ड डिस्क जो भी कैपेसिटी जितना भी सीडीज, रॉम्स, डीवीडीज, ब्लूरे डिस्क और व्हाटएवर पेन ड्राइव्स, so it stores a lot of information or data in the form of documents or graphics or sound etc. Yes or yes, these data can be retrieved whenever required. जब चाहिए जब जरूरत है, portability we can move it anywhere and we can use at any time. So on the other hand, a human being can retain only relevant information in his memory and tends to forget for the rest. वही मैं बोला था अभी एग्जाम्पल, जो क्लास 6 में जो क्लास साइंस में जो पढ़ा अभी याद है आपको, चैप्टर्स में नो आपको याद ही नहीं, सो कुछ कुछ याद कर पाए, सो जैसा कि कुछ चैप्टर्स आप याद हो सकता है, लेकिन सारा चैप्टर्स क्या क्या पढ़ा उस वक्त वो सब याद होगा आप लोग को नहीं ऐसा, बट बीइंग ए मशीन इट स्टोर द रिलेवेंट इंफॉर्मेशन इन इट्स मेमोरी एंड टेंड्स टू फॉरगेट रेस्ट, सो कभी भी रेस्ट लेने का भूल जाता है. Versatility means it is a general English word having many characters or having many features. Computer can perform various types of jobs. For instance, one can enjoy the listening to music. Yes, you are enjoying sometimes listening the music while typing in MS Word. एक साथ में MS Word में type करते से तो while working you can listen the music or any other package which you are working. We can play games, we can do calculations, make animations, surf the internet. So बहुत सारा काम है. So आजकल जो almost whatever we are पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ में जितना भी जो भी करना है सब अपना हैंड में आ गया. ठीक है, ई कॉमर्स देखो और इंटरनेट देखो, बुकिंग्स देखो, कैलकुलेशन देखो, और ऑनलाइन नाउ यू आर एंजॉयिंग ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन. सो एजुकेशन मतलब एक्चुअली पहले तो स्कूल में होता था, नाउ यू आर गेटिंग ऑनलाइन क्लासेस फैसिलिटी. सो इट्स हैविंग वर्सटाइल फीचर्स. ओके, इट्स हैविंग वर्सटाइलिटी, making animations, subnet and send email, etc. So reduction in manpower. So till now we discussed the four characteristics. What are that? Speed, accuracy, reliability, versatility, and reliability and versatility. Yes. Now storage capacity. Now reduction in manpower. So reduction in manpower, the name itself is telling the manpower. So reduction, it is being the reduce. I told being a human, which we are doing in the fraction of which we are doing in hours of work. So it is performing the task in the fraction of seconds. There only we are getting one more character, that is reduction in manpower. Yes, reduction in manpower. Computer has helped entrepreneurs to become more efficient. As a result, less staff is required for them to do the same job. Yes, उन लोग के लिए तो बहुत कम जॉब, अगर एक छोटा जॉब के लिए तो एक आदमी को, एक ह्यूमन पावर को लेने का जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगा, क्योंकि कंप्यूटर में बहुत सारा काम हो जाता है जो ह्यूमन नहीं कर पाता है. Okay, next. This can be noticed in banks, industries, and almost all government and private sectors office. Yes, almost आपने जो गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसेस में और प्राइवेट सेक्टर्स में सभी तो अपना अपना मैन पावर को रिड्यूस करने के लिए पुश कर रहा है. आजकल तो पूरा ऑटोमेशन हो जा रहा है. तो जो माने मशीन के साथ जो इंस्ट्रक्शन देने वाला काम भी, वो भी रोबोट्स और आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस एज अ बॉट टेक्नोलॉजी इट इज बीइंग परफॉर्म. ओके, जैसा कि यू आर यूजिंग आरोग्य सेतु ऐप और IVR application which you are using, they are all bot processed applications only. Yeah. So when you call to some customer care, it performing, so press this one, press this one. So as this task is to be performed, as the company or being, it is as the company is giving the several options, so that options are being not repeated, so it is being processed in the bot form. So the bot will execute that instruction. So means what I am telling is, so the manpower is being reduced daily day and industry is becoming automated time to time. Okay. This can be noticed in all sectors. Okay. Next, reduction in paperwork. This is very important. We are telling save environments. The save environment will become the part of this characteristic, reduction in paperwork. So it is reducing the paperwork also. With the use of computers, a large amount of papers, files, wastage which can be prevented in any organization. So organization में, पहला organization में जो भी डेटा है सब चीज अपना फाइल में, बड़ा बड़ा फाइल्स में वो लिखना पड़ता है, वो सब अभी खत्म हो गया. Reduction in paperwork. A computer stores the data in the form of records that helps to reducing lot of paperwork. Yes or no? Yes. For example, records of students in a school can be stored on a computer rather than keeping manual files for each and every student. Yeah. Whatever the students data is there, उसका पापा का नाम, मदर का नाम, डेट ऑफ बर्थ, जेंडर, कौन सा हाउस है, क्या क्या लिया है, सो इतना फीस, उसका फीस कितना बैलेंस है, और उसका मार्क्स कितना है, सो कौन किसमें कम मार्क्स है, और स्पोर्ट्स में कैसा है, क्या क्या अचीवमेंट्स है, सब चीज हम लोग स्टूडेंट का रिकॉर्ड अपने इंडिविजुअली अगर कंप्यूटर में रिकॉर्ड करने में बहुत आसान है, कभी भी हम लोग बैकअप ले सकते हैं. वेरेज अगर फाइल में अगर स्टोर किया तो फाइल में अगर कुछ एनी डिस्ट्रक्शन or any disaster will happen, so sometimes something may happen if the file may lost or anything will happen, but whereas if we keep in the computers we can get the backup at any time. Yes or no? Okay, so this we can save a lot of paperwork also. So moreover, information about any student can be obtained easily and quickly with the help of computer. Yes, So जैसा कि आपका मैनुअल में अगर स्टोर कर दिया तो उसको रिट्रीव करना में बहुत डिफिकल्ट है समटाइम्स, क्योंकि अगर अगर नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स, अगर नंबर ऑफ persons are more in an organization, if you want to retrieve some information of particular student or particular person, it takes some times. But whereas in the case of computer, so in a fraction of second, in the search time, so we are having the searching techniques in such a way that so we'll get any information very fast compared to the manual system. So this we save a lot of manpower or paperwork which we save. So first, for what we discussed in the characteristics of computer, first one is speed, second one is accuracy, third one is reliability, then fourth one is storage capacity, and fifth one is reduction in versatility, and fifth one is reduction in manpower and reduction in paperwork. These are the main characteristics we discussed. Then limitations of the computer. Yeah. So I told apart from the advantages, there are some limitations. Few limitations are there. What are the limitations we see? The first one is incapability. As a computer being a machine, it will not perform anything without on its own. As everything instruction are being programmed by the user only, then only it performs based on the programming instructions. So that is only the telling. It is not like a human, so it able to think. So human ही अपना बनाएगा प्रोग्राम, वो प्रोग्राम को कंप्यूटर इंस्ट्रक्शंस फॉर्म में देगा, तभी वो परफॉर्म करेगा, जैसा जैसा प्रोग्राम बना ऐसे तरीके से वो मेथड में फॉलो करेगा. इनकैपेबिलिटी टू थिंक. First one, a computer cannot think on its create on its decision on its own. In case of any error, it cannot take any alternative action. अगर कोई error है तो कोई alternate action नहीं लेगा, तुरंत dynamic thinking or dynamic decision making it cannot be possible in the case of the computer. Yeah, that is incapability to think. Then no intelligence, no IQ or no intelligence I can say. Unlike human beings has no IQ, it needs an instructions at every time, every step. वही तो बोला है मैं, जैसा कि इनकैपेबिलिटी डूइंग इन द सेंस इंटेलिजेंस भी वही पे आ जाता है. इंस्ट्रक्शंस, इट नीड्स इंस्ट्रक्शंस एट एवरी स्टेप, मैं बोला था. तो डिपेंडेंस ऑन पावर, अगेन पावर का भी मैटर करता है. कंप्यूटर इज एन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मशीन, दैट्स इट्स डिपेंड ऑन पावर. पावर मेक्स इट्स कॉस्टली. सो पावर तो जरूरत है. तो कंप्यूटर, तो ह्यूमन तो पावर का बिना पावर का भी काम होता है, बट बीइंग ए मशीन it works on only with the power only. Yeah, electricity only. Applications of computers, we are having a huge number of applications are there, but we'll discuss few applications of this computer. Yeah, okay, so let's go now. The invention of computers has led to advancement in science and technology. Yeah, computers जैसे invention हुआ है, science और technology में जितना advancements है because of the computers only. Okay, so life has become more efficient without the use of the computers in our daily life. So earlier it was mainly used by large organizations for scientific and research purpose or medical or engineering purpose for their application oriented on. Now it's become part of every life. So how many advantages are there we see? But today computers being in almost every field of our life. The major areas of the computer applications are as follows. We'll discuss. So being a defense organization, we'll discuss something about first military only. So how the so here I want to tell the first computers are also started from the military only. So Department of Defense from the if I go to the history of the computers, so computers are started from the US Department of Defense. First they use it for their military purpose only. So if you see here, whatever the inventions, whatever the technology is coming, everything is first is adapting or being tested from the military only. So if you take this one, means if you adopt the if you go with the technology or whatever the advancements are coming in technology, the defense or military will opt all the advancements in the technology first one. So if you see the computer as soon as came, the Department of Defense started doing research in the military only. So if you learn the computer or if you learn the technology, so if you go for the defense, or if you join in any army or navy or air force, so all the technologies will come in hands of you, because जो बाहर लोग नहीं कर पा रहे, आपको ही पहले आएगा, सारा टेक्नोलॉजी आपके साथ काम करेगा. So being this important, keep motivated, highly motivated to get into crack the NDA and get into Army, Navy, Air Force and soon become the NDA officer. So I hope all of you are doing well. Okay, next we'll discuss some few applications of military में क्या क्या applications use होते हैं हम discuss करते हैं. आप लोग को पता है radar में कैसे use होता है. So you go into the different what we say different visits we gone, different education visits we gone, different areas we gone the garden reach shipbuilding area in the class 7. So उधर में आप लोग देखा है कैसे कंप्यूटर का मिलिट्री वो नेवी वाला को शिप बनाने में कैसे यूज होता है, उसका डिजाइन कैसे बनता है, आप लोग सब देखा है in the class 7 only when we gone to the INS कोलकाता. So different areas, n number of applications are there. I am telling only few applications. See what the military are using. Okay, computers plays a vital role in design and development. Yes, in design and development. So अगर देख रहे हो आपको machine कैसे develop हो रहा है, design. Okay, high tech weapons are for the defense purpose. और also absolute accuracy is essential. Okay, ordnance में भी जितना भी वो guns और machines और high tech weapons are being manufactured from the with the help of the application computers only. Okay, कंप्यूटर में तो डिजाइन होता है, उसके हिसाब से मशीन में इंस्ट्रक्शन देने से वो कंप्यूटर जैसा इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया, जैसा प्रोग्राम बना, जैसा डिजाइन बना, वो इंस्ट्रक्शन के हिसाब से मशीन ऐसा बनाता है. नेक्स्ट, the whole world saw the vast use of computers in the defense during the Gulf and Afghanistan wars and also in Iraq war. Okay, ये तो few applications. Computerized simulation exercises are very helpful in training the pilots. तो pilots को भी जो एयरफोर्स में यूज होता है, उन लोग को जो ट्रेनिंग है, तो क्या क्या ऑब्स्टेकल्स आता है, उसका फील्ड का माने टेम्परेचर का जो भी रिकॉर्डिंग्स हो, सबको सिमुलेशन एक्सरसाइजेस और पायलट्स को भी होता है अपना. ठीक है, हैंड टू हैंड. Computers are used to help in fighting terrorism by locating unlawful elements in the world. Yeah, computers are also being to track the location and high accuracy and terrorists where they are spotted. So all things we can get. With the use of computer technology, government around the world can successfully execute their plans through the effective planning. Yes, definitely, if the computers are being used by the government, the world can successfully execute their plans, whatever they want, in the effective way, very effective way. The world saw how America dealt with Osama bin Laden with the help of computers. As we've seen how they by using computer network only, America was able to plan the downfall of Osama and located in high grade. Yes, I told that to locate the terrorists, to get the accurate location there, so to get the latitude and longitude location, so everything can be able to track with the help of the computer technology only. So now banks का बारे में आ रहा है. First we discuss the military. Now banks का बारे में discuss करेंगे. As a result, कंप्यूटराइजेशन आपको अकाउंट स्टेटमेंट के लिए, बैंक, मोबाइल बैंकिंग के लिए, नेट बैंकिंग के लिए, जो भी ऑलमोस्ट ऑल द वर्क यू आर एबल टू, ऑल द banking services which are provided by the banks are getting from the mobile or in the form of internet or from the computers only. Yeah. As a result of computerization networking of large number of banks, several facilities are being offered to the customers. Using online banking or net banking or mobile banking, you can check your past transactions from the data of accountability with the real time balance. Yes, I know that only I told. So जितना भी कंप्यूटर का जो बैंक का जो सर्विसेज है, ऑलमोस्ट एवरीथिंग यू आर गेटिंग फ्रॉम दी मोबाइल. ओके, मोबाइल. Money can be easily transferred to any account across the globe very fast. Yes, so Western Union money transfer और आपका जो बैंक टू बैंक और बैंक टू इंट्रा बैंक, so everything is being possible in the case of the bank application with the help of the computers only. Internet banking allows also used to use ATM or debit card to shop, buy tickets, pay bills for utility of services like electricity bill, टेलीफोन, मोबाइल वैलेट्स, पोस्टपेड मोबाइल. सो आप लोग को पता है कैसे मोबाइल वैलेट्स में यूपीआई ट्रांजैक्शन आजकल जो कर रहे हैं, so it become very easy and smoothly. So everything we are being performed at by sitting at home only. Okay, you can even subscribe to free monthly bank statements so that you'll get the messages every time. So, and even open the fixed deposit schemes at online only by sitting at online only. The facility of subscribing to mobile banking enables you to virtually carry along with bank with you. Yes, mobile banking जो facilities ये है, means indirectly you are having virtual bank with you only. That only they are telling. Okay, next one. रिसर्च पर्पस. तो डिफेंस जो रिसर्च है, जो भी रिसर्च पर्पस जो है, और बायोटेक्नोलॉजी और वर्क इन ट्रेमेंडस और परफॉर्मिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स कॉम्पिटिशंस व्हिच परफॉर्म्स sometimes seem impossible for humans. So now the research is going about COVID-19 that to find out the vaccine for that. Even India is also part of getting the medicine. So that all research purpose also being how that virus is being spread. Virus is changing its characteristics. That all things are being performed from the computers only. So it is also being used for the research purpose also. Some of them are listed on the next page. We will discuss some of the applications. The computations required for launching a new satellite into space is one such example. और research में अगर satellite launch करने में, yesterday it was one satellite was launched with the scientists only. They gone for the space. Okay, these are all being performed with the help of the research only. This is also part of the computers only. Earthquake and tsunami warnings are also possible with the help of it. A weather forecasting is one of the example I told. It's also one of the possible advantage. So earthquake को prediction करना, tsunami को prediction करना, कब climate cyclone आने वाला, so everything being predicted from the from the computers only. Weather forecasting is done in the help of the computers only. So impact and nuclear tests also being can be studied using the computers only. So education with the education today I'll complete that applications. Okay, education. So now education if we take, so we are learning the computers in our lab, and you are learning you are learning some English speaking and listening skills from the lab only, computers only, or you are listening e-learning techniques, or you are listening different visually animated softwares or visual softwares of your visually animated videos of your particular science course science core topics. So and now you are getting online education facility with the help of computer or mobile only. Everything is possible with the help of education में भी बहुत सारा रोल प्ले किया है कंप्यूटर, ठीक है. तो सीखते समय से मैंने पढ़ने के लिए, और even now it become due to this pandemic situation we are also part of the computer, that we are learning, you are listening this class with the help of mobile or the computers only, yes or no. So that also is about education. Computer aided learning and teaching is changing the entire spectrum of our education system. Education system को तो पूरा change कर रहा था. Multimedia rich computers, the animation videos helps the students to understand concepts in very simple and effective manner. So multimedia में जितना भी concepts है, अगर visually animated में visual अगर core topics को अगर visualize करने से आप लोग को जल्दी समझना और जल्दी grasp करना easy है, पहले जैसा नहीं है. So education में भी बहुत सारा role play किया e-learning techniques के द्वारा से. Virtual classrooms are reality nowadays. So virtual classrooms, so now you are enjoying the classroom like teaching only, but with the help of virtual only. Okay. Next, this technology uses a video conference and or online modules of study material for learning. Yeah, you are using all these purpose only right now. You are learning, I think, education. With the advent of e-learning, students can study as per their time schedule. As per the time schedule, now it has become the possible to conduct online entrance exams at national and international level with the help of online, with the help of computers only. This is very important nowadays. To reduce the, we have discussed the one characteristic that to reduce the paperwork and to reduce the manpower. Now the computers how they emerged is see, so to conduct the online entrance exams world India में और national जितना भी entrance exam है, where the huge number of applications are coming, they are conducting entrance exam on competitive exams with the help of the online, with the help of the computing technology on this. So how it is emerged in the education field, you see. Okay, the results of various education boards as well as the entrance exam are available online. Yes, results भी आप लोग जो results देख रहे हैं वो भी online में, इस बार आप जो result देखा वो भी school mobile application में देखा. So everything will become online. Students can find information about various colleges through internet, can apply online. आप लोग entrance exam clear होने के बाद जो 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 अगर कॉलेजेस जो यूनिवर्सिटीज बेस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी सर्च करने के लिए भी आप लोग को ऑनलाइन में चाहिए, वो क्या कौन सा कॉलेज और कौन सा यूनिवर्सिटी अप्लाई करना, कौन सा कोर्स अप्लाई करना भी, दैट यू आर डूइंग फ्रॉम ऑनलाइन विद द हेल्प ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स ओनली. सो हाउ इट इज emerged you see. Okay, media and communication I'll discuss in the next class. So in this topic we discussed about what is computer and how the computer is emerged from the become very apple of easy apple of eyes to us, and how it is become the part of our life. Okay, what are the different characteristics we discussed, what is computer, what are the full form of computer we seen, and what are different characteristics of the computer, that is what is the different characteristics we discussed: speed, accuracy, reliability, versatility, reduction in manpower, reduction in paperwork, storage capacity, and few applications we discussed, few limitations we discussed. No, there is no intelligence for the computer, unable to think. Okay, and less power is required for the computer, and the few applications we seen, that is military application, banks applications, and education application we seen till now, and also entertainment. Now media and communication we'll discuss in the next class. Hope all of you are understanding. If you are unable to understand, if my video is going fast, you go and check from the playback. You can reduce the speed of the video also, and also you can get listen very properly. And soon we'll discuss some assignments also. Meanwhile, up to prepare the presentation up to different applications or characteristics which I am not covered. So which you can which you think. So this is also become the character, and this is also what are the applications I discussed till now, that also you cover, and also few applications apart from that whatever I covered we also go for that. Okay, next. With this I'm going to end the today's video of covering the different characteristics and few applications of the computer. Thank you. Stay safe, stay prepared. Thank you. Signing off.